Alright guys, today I just want to do a quick recap of what I found at Walmart's and Target's. Not so much Target, but Walmart's. I went to one Walmart today and there was nothing there, but I went to my last video, if you've seen my last follow-up visit with a Walmart store to see if they had anything. They had nothing at all, but I know that they have some cases on order. I don't know when I'll be in, but I know I'll be hitting something there soon. So basically, there was nothing in mainline cars. There's nothing in hardly Matchboxes you've seen on the video. Matchbox that's hanging or just peg warmers, all the same car, straight back, of the three different ones that people don't want. But on Monster Jams or Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, I've seen to find the whole Volkswagen series. It's not a series, but Volkswagen Monster Trucks, which are pretty darn cool. And this is one of the first ones I found at my local Walmart around me. But you've seen this one on prior videos before. If you haven't seen it, you could probably see the peg hunting video, probably a couple of videos back. And this is one of the ones I found, which is super awesome. That's an awesome car. And then one of the ones I found at the same Walmart store, and I'm sure you've seen in my last video, was the Love Bug. Which is super awesome as well. I didn't know this was coming out. I just saw it and hanging on they just stocked this, so it seems like they've been getting a lot of monster truck vehicles in. And when I saw this one, I had to have it because I'm into all Volkswagens, and the most Volkswagens, especially the drag bus, the T1 pickup, the drag truck. I mean, all the Volkswagens are just awesome, sharp, square back, just awesome. I like the Volkswagen series stuff. So anything Volkswagen, you will see me pick it up, especially if it's a Matchbox, Hot Wheels, or Monster Trucks. This one's the Love Bug. It's pretty much off the same casting with the one I just showed you, just with the Love Bug deco on it. Super cool. And then the same Walmart I was at, I happened to find this and I was super excited. Some monster trucks, VW drag bus, new for 2021. All these are new for 2021. I love the color scheme on this. It's really sharp. It says Monster Trucks and Hot Wheels right on the truck there. Chrome rims, big old tires. Is 29 out of 75 cars, and that's the front. And I know on the back it shows you a whole series of these vehicles. All of these were hanging. The Volkswagen, the Bigfoot Reed as the new deco on the Bigfoot. I should have grabbed that one. But the Volkswagen bus is hot. I like it. So those are the three monster trucks I've grabbed from lately when I've been shopping around looking for the new car culture and the new Hot Wheels. And these are the ones I just found not too long ago. I'd say a couple days, but I just wanted to do a closer look on these monster trucks. And of course I found the fire truck treasure hunt. I've seen those a couple times. Have not found the Barbie, so I'm still on the lookout for that. It's probably long gone. But comment down below and let me know what your favorite monster truck is. These are three great castings, and I will soon be revealing some. I have some packages coming in, so I will be doing open boxes videos. And I just recently got my Redline Club renewed, so I'll be doing open box on that as well. And this is Hotwheel Madness, and I'm out.